what's going on? Another unboxing. Something from Christmas. I was about to buy one and then I got one for Christmas. So this is a miter saw stand. It's the compact one, so it folds up. I think it holds 500 pounds. I think this isn't the extended version because that one's just, I think it goes to 15 or 16 feet. I forget how long this one goes to. But the model is DWX724, if you're wondering. I'll put a link. I think it was on sale for Christmas for $150. I'll put the link, see how much it is now. It's from Home Depot, but let's unbox it. And then I got some 6x6s to cut, and I need the table to put the saw on and to extend. So let's see how it is. Box came in a little rough, of course. This will do. It's a razor blade, but wrong. Sense. I really need to get a bench, but we're still in the garage. I'm guessing this is attachments for the stand. Yeah, this is to hold the saw. And these are the end rollers. Okay, you see this is the portable compact one. There's one that's like a big stand that rolls around. This one you can fold up, which is perfect for me. Let's see, how does this work? Okay, you just push these sandals in. I've never used this Dewalt. This one. Push these clips and then it just moves these pins. These are the extenders. So on the larger one, this center table is a little longer. And then these side extensions are longer. I think this is 10, no, it's not 10 foot. I don't know how long it extends. I gotta look. All right, let's see. Fully extended. This is the 24, so just a does 100 inches, whatever that is. I don't know, I can't think right now. But Alright, I'll see you outside, and I'll put the saw on. Alright, what's going on? I have the Dewalt DS724 miter saw, 12-inch blade. I think this is the biggest miter saw they make, but I'm gonna set this thing up. So for these rails, to like pull them in and out, you just adjust this here, and then to put them on this right here, or maybe you can't see, but right here, you unscrew this, and then these slide off, and then you just put them back on and tighten them up. Super simple. These, you can tighten the nuts up so this thing doesn't slide. I honestly might leave it like this. I wish they put wing nuts so you could adjust it easier, but whatever. I probably won't do that. There's bolts to put this saw, like to mount it down. I might get wing nuts for this also, so I can just do it quick. But I'm just gonna measure my saw's width for the bolt holes, and then just put these to the right width. And these, they just clip right here. You just squeeze it, you put a fix side on, and then let it go. Super simple. Alright, let's see that. Let's see if that's it. A little too wide. Okay. Try this again. We might get money right there. Jeez. Anything? I might just like use the corner bolts for these because this seems like a pain in the Also, why is this long bolts? Well, so if I use these, I'm just going to cancel them. I'll probably just use this corner and this corner just so it doesn't rattle. But I don't see the need for. I would use like quick disconnects. I don't know if there's something out there to make these quick disconnects. Let me know. Because I don't think I'm gonna store my saw on this. I don't think I should. Yeah, that's it. I'll throw a piece of wood on there and show you how stable it is, but it's super simple to set up. So, all right, 8 foot 6 by 6, really 5.5 by 5.5. Cutting for a console table, but let's see how the stand does. I think this is about 90 pounds. So. I gotta flip it because it's too thick, but hopefully it won't break it. Just split it. Maybe someone else knows a better way to line this up, but so I'm doing it. That was a mishap on my part. Not too bad. Whatever, I gotta fix because I keep hitting it with the saw. Maybe someone else knows I don't really know a better way to flatten these out, but I'll figure it out. Alright, well, cut's good, holds the wood good.